Ayan, nag-quick date muna kami ni My Loves dito sa Carousel. Sa Lazy Sunday. So, mag-groceries din kami at the same time. And kahapon pala, hindi lang kami nakapag-video, pero nakapag-attend kami ng The Feast Perth. So, it's a good opportunity na makamit ng Filipino community. So, yun. Sa mga nandito sa Perth and gusto nyo mag-attend ng The Feast Perth, follow nyo yung, anong name ng The Feast Perth sa Facebook. So, doon lang namin nakita. Matagal nang inaabangan siya ni My Loves eh. And then, by chance, nakita lang namin yung Facebook page ng The Feast Perth and we attended kahapon. So, every, pala siya, no? Every other 2 months ginaganap. And, yun, marami kami na-meet na Filipinos. So, yun. Ayan, it's already 10 in the morning, lunchtime natin. Pero I just found out na yung sa personal PC natin, the CMOS battery have died down. So, kaya ayaw mag-boot ng ating machine. So may workaround naman pero we have to replace yung CMOS battery. So isa yun sa mga cause pag ayaw mag-boot ng desktop PC or let's say having issues with time. So yung CMOS battery kasi ng motherboard, it's been years since last na palitan or maybe probably not ever hindi pa napalitan. So kaya kailangan nating palitan and yeah, luckily meron tayong itong battery. We need to use yung Energizer 2032. Yan ang battery ng motherboard. So we just have to hiniga ko na yung personal desktop ko. Nandito siya actually sa ilalim nitong video card. So we have to unscrew these screws dito sa side to get rid of the CMOS battery and this video card. Yun. So para mapalitan natin. Yan. So it's easy. Kailangan lang natin itong one piece of 2032 battery. Ayan, so small rig portable suction cup mount. Pwede rin siya actually for action camera. So, tingnan natin. So, fully sakto siya. But I think kailangan ko ng expansion adapter for Osmo Pocket. But let's see. So, actually, namili ako kung ano yung magandang suction. And I think ito yung, sa mga nakita ko, ito yung medyo maganda. Ayan, so, ito siya actually. Ayan, so, suction cup lang naman siya. Nothing fancy para makapag-vlog tayo while driving. Ayan, so for may mount siya for action cam. And yan, gamitin natin for the Osmo Pocket 3. So quick pasyal muna kami dito sa Kings Park after work. Second time nila My Loves dito. Yan, so magandang pumasyal dito, especially during spring kasi maraming flowers. Yan, lakad-lakad. Konting pasyal. Spring ngayon, kaya ayan, nagbubunga yung mga flowers. And I think starting Friday, may flowers festival dito sa Kings Park. Kaya magandang pumasyal dito. So iba-ibang flower species ang makikita niya dito. So 17 hectares pala tong Botanic Garden. So nakalagay dito 3,000, around 3,000 of over 14,000 native plant species in the state. Makikita mo dito. Yeah. So last time pumunta kami dito, walang flowers kasi hindi siya spring. Pero ngayon, yan, tumutubo yung mga flowers ngayon. Second time nila Bella dito. The last time was last year during winter. And so yun, kumusta? Kumusta yung second time nyo dito? Busy si My Loves. Nahiya sa camera. Kumusta yung second time nyo dito?
Parehas lang.
Parehas lang daw. Last time kasi was winter. So wala pa masyadong flowers. So ngayon, mas nakakatuwang pumasyal dito kasi maraming mga flowers. Especially next week may flowers festival dito. Walking dito just to connect with nature. Hindi masyadong maraming tao, ganda yung weather, hindi masyadong malamig. Actually sikat ang araw pero around 21 degrees ngayon. Ganda ng bridge na to, overlooking sa river. Ano bang river to? I think Swan River. Ayan, overlooking sa city. Ayan, tourist feels lang. Ito, may mga tinanim pa sila. So, just in time for next week's flower festival, magbo-bloom pa yan. Hanap sana kami ng kainan, kaso I think until 5 lang yung mga shops dito. Wala na, closed na. We'll call it a day. So, around 1 hour and a half walking. So, tama na yun. Nakapag exercise na rin. Ayan, see ya.